how to link Ubisoft account to Steam. So if you want to link Ubisoft account to your Steam, then you need to open up a new browser tab in your browser of your choice. And once you open the tab, now you need to simply go for ubisoftconnect.com. So you need to simply go for the UB Connect, or if you have the application, go for the UB Connect application, and then make sure to log into your account under your Ubisoft. So once you click on the first search, it might take you to the website. So you need to simply go for the upper side of your screen, which has that profile option, and it will take you to this kind of page where if you don't have an account, go and create an account, or if you already have an account, then log into your account. Click on login and then login. And once you've logged into your Ubisoft, you need to log into your Steam also. So in order to connect the two accounts, obviously you need to be signed in and logged into Steam, and then go ahead and log into your Ubisoft Connect account. Once you're here, Connect application. So first, log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now go for the profile, which is on the upper right. Click on the profile option. You may have a settings option. So you need to simply go for the settings. Here, you need to simply go for the settings. But if you don't have the settings option, you can also go for the account management. Here, you need to simply go for the account information, which is on the upper side, upper left. Once you're here on the account information, now if you scroll down, here you will have linked account option. So if you want to link any account, then for example, I have linked my Xbox account. So if you want to link your Discord, simply click on link, or if you link your Facebook, PlayStation, or you can go for YouTube or Twitch. So you can simply choose any one of these options, and then you need to, for example, if I choose YouTube, here it will ask me to enter the login information of my YouTube under the Ubisoft, or it will ask you to choose an account. So if I choose an account, then my YouTube will be linked to the Ubisoft. So here, if you have Steam option, then you need to simply go for the Steam and then click on the link option. And once you click on the link, it will simply ask you to enter your login information of that application. And once you enter the login information correctly, then your Ubisoft account will be linked to Steam. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.